Truth is not what you want it to be. It is what it is. And you must bend to its power with a lie. You must understand that there is more than one path to the top of the mountain. To win any battle, you must fight as if you are already dead. It may seem difficult at first, but everything is difficult at first. Do not regret what you have done. To know 10,000 things, know one well. If you do not control the enemy will control you. Fixation is the way to death. Fluidity is the way to life. Do nothing that is of no use. The only reason a warrior is alive is to fight. And the only reason a warrior fights is to win. Perceive that which cannot be seen with the eye. Today is victory over yourself of yesterday. Tomorrow is your victory over lesser men. Do not waste time idling, thinking after you have set your goals. 1,000 days of lessons for discipline. 10,000 days of lessons for mastery. There is more to life than increasing its speed. The ultimate aim of martial arts is not having to use them. You can only fight the way you practice. Understand the harm and benefit of everything. With your spirit open and unconstricted, look at things from a high point of view. It is difficult to understand the universe if you only study one planet. True warriors are fierce because their training is fierce. In battle, if you make your opponent flinch, you have already won.